Okay, I want to do a demo on how to make the web page using Notepad for the 1 day of web page. Let me start the full motion here. Okay, so the first step is to go into Windows Explorer, which I've already opened up here. On my C drive, I made a temporary folder called web page. Okay, and I'm going to make my web pages in here. And to make a web page, you probably don't have Dreamweaver at home, so we can just use Notepad. You can use Microsoft Word also, and I have a video on that too, but I'm making one right now on how to use Notepad. So I'm going to go down and hit the Start button. And then I'm just going to type in Notepad, because I don't see it there. And there's Notepad. Okay, and then in here, what I'm going to do is go over to the web page, and if you look here, if you go to the web page assignment, I put up some starting HTML for you. You can just go ahead and copy that. I'm going to slide this back out of the way, come back into Notepad and paste it. Right in the body, between the body and closed body, type in like something just to get going. And then do file save as. Now this is the critical part. You have to, if you're not already there, drill over to the C drive to web page where you made that one folder, a temporary folder to hold your web page, or you could use the folders you made in the first assignment. But what's crucial is that you do all files down here, because if you leave the text file, it's going to put that .txt extension. And then call your first one index.html. Unless you already have a web page from a different course, then you may want a different name. But just call it index.html and save it. And then you'll see there it is right there in your directory. Okay, now what we need to do is get this up to the Edinboro web server from your home, because you are not here at Edinboro. So to do that, open up another instance down here on my computer. It's right here. I'm going to right click Windows Explorer. So now I have two, if you can see this, two instances of Windows Explorer. I have this one open, which is my local, and then this one, which is currently my local, but I'm going to make it connect via FTP to the Edinboro server. Then type in FTP. There it is right there. Web storage.edinboro.edu. It should come up with this prompt to log in, and you log in with the same thing that you would log in if you were here at Edinboro. And this takes you to your web directory. Now, I have all this stuff on my web directory because I've been here for like 15 years. So what I did was I made a new folder called Winter 2016-17. You do not need to do that, but I did it because I have all this other stuff I don't want to erase over top of. So I'm going to double click on that. Then you should have something. Yours probably looks like this, totally blank. You've never used it. So what I'm going to do is to copy this over. Basically, you click on the file we just made and you drag it over to the FTP site. Now this again, you're connected to the Edinboro web server here. Okay, and then to look at it, open up a browser, and your URL is going to be users.edinboro.edu.